Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for Task 1 and 26 minutes for Task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits.
This model answer shows you how to write a clear and effective email for this task. If you need more time to review the text, feel free to pause the video now. Let's look at how the email addresses all three required points. The writer first explains why they cannot attend the meeting by stating, "I have a mandatory work shift." Then, they ask two specific questions about joining, such as wondering about membership fees or shared costs. Finally, the writer describes how they can help by mentioning they can do general maintenance tasks and grow certain vegetables. The email is well organized into short paragraphs. It begins with a polite greeting and a clear opening sentence that states the email's purpose. The tone is respectful and friendly, which is perfect for writing to a community organizer. Using a closing like "sincerely" helps to create this semi-formal tone. Notice the use of simple connecting words to make the ideas flow smoothly. Words like "unfortunately," "although," and "therefore" link the sentences logically. The email also includes a couple of good vocabulary words to show a higher level, such as enthusiastic and contribute. These words fit the topic naturally and improve the response. Let's review this strong response for option A. You can pause the video here if you'd like to read the full text carefully. This response works well because it clearly states a preference right at the beginning and then gives strong reasons to back it up. The writer supports their choice with two clear arguments. First, they argue the facilities will encourage physical activity for residents. Second, they explain how the new spaces will give young people a positive place to socialize and build community spirit. The answer is persuasive because it provides specific examples and details for each point. The organization is excellent. The first sentence states the choice. The two body paragraphs each focus on a different reason, making the argument easy to follow. Finally, a short concluding sentence summarizes the writer's position. The tone is polite and convincing, which is perfect for a survey response. Notice the simple linking words that connect the ideas, such as firstly, also, and therefore. The writer also uses two effective stretch words, encourage, which means to support or help something happen, and beneficial, which means helpful or useful. Now, let's examine the model answer for option B if you need more time to read it. Please pause the video. This is an effective response because it immediately declares its choice and provides well-supported arguments. The response clearly states a preference for the garden and gives two main reasons. First, it argues that a garden serves a wider range of residents, including seniors and families. Second, it highlights the mental health and aesthetic benefits of having a natural, quiet space in the community. The arguments are logical and address the goal of serving the community. The structure is very clear. It opens by stating the chosen option. Each body paragraph then explores a single, distinct advantage of the garden. The response ends with a simple concluding thought. This logical flow makes the writer's opinion easy to understand and appreciate. The tone is respectful and community-minded. To connect ideas, the writer uses helpful phrases like, in my view, furthermore, and for this reason. The vocabulary is simple but effective, with two good stretch words, peaceful, which describes a calm and quiet feeling, and essential, which means absolutely necessary or very important.